Hello, Ian. This is Ben. I just sold you the Commodore Amiga 2500. I just make these videos every time I sell electronics just to be sure that they show you that they're working, etc., beforehand. Obviously, it'll be insured on the way, so should anything happen, but I like to make the video of it on and running with the serial number and all that stuff. So right on, man. Here you go. Just plugging her in. I mean, I'm no computer expert, but it honestly looks to me like it may not have been used before. So there you go. She fires up right there. All that. Hard disk thing is blinking. All that jazz. Here is the serial number. It is serial number CA1085603. Old school Amiga. And I'm serious, man. And it may actually just like have never been even booted up stuff. So, right on. Cheers, dude. I'm gonna send her off right now. Take her easy. See ya.